Hi, my name is Milo, and we are doing an unboxing for a tire for my YZ85. This is the Kenda Ibex Gummy tire, size 14. So let's get right into it. All right, here is the tire. This is going to be really awesome to ride with. Be able to get up hills way easier. So we're gonna remove the old tire and put this new tire on, and then we're gonna go test it out on the trails. Alright, I'm super excited to try this tire, see how it does in the trails. We'll hope that it does really good, helps me get up hills easier. Without further ado, let's put this thing back on.
Nice, dude. You just got a rock, I think, and it bounced you off.
Yeah.
Let's do it again. You had the right speed.
Now I know where the trail goes. That was fun.
Great work, man.
I was trying not to feel like, I don't know. Can you get that one rock right
Yep.
there?
Sure can.
Over-exaggerate, but the Gummy tire, like with the stock tire, and this was dry, I was slipping all up this, and this is wet, and this is like getting more grip than I've ever had.
So the Gummy tire's getting more grip than you've ever had.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Good job, dude.
Thanks.
How's the climb? Yeah, you did it!
Pivot turn and all.
Pivot turn and all. Excellent work, dude.
That was really good.
Good clutch work. Your wheel come up a few times. Okay, what do you have to say?
The tire helps so much with getting traction. I feel it's much easier to get up of hills and get grip, so that way your back end's not just spinning out, and you can actually control the bike a lot easier and put it where you want to go.
All right, so what's your thoughts on the tire? Is it worth it?
It was worth it. It is so gummy, perfect for this riding, and it just awesome, suits my riding style.